This is Adarian News Channel, and here are the big stories of the day. In a dramatic juxtaposition of policy and industry influence, a US court ruling struck down President Donald Trump's tariffs on certain imported goods within minutes of Elon Musk announcing that Tesla would no longer seek government subsidies. The timing, though coincidental, underscores a growing debate about government involvement in markets. While the court deemed the tariffs a violation of international trade rules, Musk's statement suggested confidence in Tesla's self sufficiency and profitability. Together, the developments mark a symbolic shift in the tension between government intervention and free market dynamics. Meanwhile, Discord, the widely used communication platform, unveiled its experimental new in app currency that rewards users for engaging with advertisements. The system, tentatively called Discord Coins, allows users to earn tokens by participating in sponsored activities and viewing promotional content. The move aims to balance monetization with user engagement without relying on traditional intrusive ad models, positioning Discord as a trailblazer in alternative digital economies. In a leap for theoretical astrophysics, researchers have introduced what's being called the blowtorch theory, a provocative new model for how structure forms in the universe. Contradicting standard cold dark matter paradigms, theory posits that intense radiation jets in the early universe acted like blowtorches, sculpting galaxies and clusters in rapid bursts rather than through slow gravitational accretion. Though still under peer review, the model is gaining attention for its elegance and potential to explain long standing cosmic anomalies. On the sustainability front, scientists at MIT have unveiled a prototype liquid sodium battery that could revolutionize aviation. Unlike conventional lithium ion designs, the liquid sodium battery promises higher energy density and environmental benefit, with the capacity to capture CO2 from the atmosphere during operation. While still in early development stages, this innovation could one day power electric aircraft while contributing to climate mitigation efforts. Anthropic, the AI research firm behind Claude, announced a high profile addition to its board, Netflix co founder Reed Hastings. His appointment signals Anthropic's ambition to scale responsibly and build consumer facing AI products. Hastings' track record of innovation and growth at Netflix suggests strategic alignment with Anthropic's vision for AI governance and commercialization. Opera, the lesser known but pioneering web browser, has introduced a groundbreaking feature, integrated AI tools that can code websites and games on behalf of users. Dubbed ARIA Studio, the tool blends large language model capabilities with a real time editing interface, giving users the power to prototype and publish interactive content without writing a single line of code. This could redefine low code development, particularly for indie creators and educators. In a surprising but potentially transformative update, Microsoft announced that future version of Windows Update will include third-party app updates. This long requested feature means users can now receive updates not just from Microsoft software but for programs like Adobe Acrobat or Chrome, streamlining system maintenance and security. Experts are calling it a game changer in user experience and IT administration. Spotify continues to double down on its podcast ecosystem, introducing new discovery tools including personalized podcast feeds, smart categories, and contextual recommendations. As competition intensifies with platforms like YouTube and Apple Podcasts, Spotify aims to retain its edge through AI powered curation and deeper user engagement, especially for niche and emerging podcasters. On the cybersecurity front, the Interlock ransomware gang has launched a new remote access Trojan RAT called NodeSnake, targeting university networks. Security analysts warn that this Node.js based malware can evade many traditional detection methods and is particularly dangerous for its modular structure and data exfiltration capabilities. Universities are being urged to update endpoint protections and monitor for anomalous behavior. XAI, Elon Musk's AI venture, is reportedly investing $300 million to integrate its Grok chatbot directly into Telegram. The move is aimed at delivering advanced conversational AI to a global messaging platform already boasting over 800 million users. The integration could position Telegram as a new frontier for consumer AI, following in the footsteps of ChatGPT's success within messaging environments. The Linux Foundation marked a symbolic end of an era with the arrival of Linux kernel 6.15, which officially drops support for 486 class CPUs. These aging chips, once central to early personal computing, are no longer deemed viable for modern kernel development. The change is part of ongoing efforts to streamline Linux and focus on contemporary hardware compatibility. Apple's Logic Pro received a quiet but powerful update, a new feature that auto saves audio takes even if the user forgets to press record. The functionality mirrors the auto recovery found in photography and video apps, offering musicians and audio engineers peace of mind and potentially saving countless lost performances and ideas. AMD has acquired Silicon Photonics startup Inosemi in a move that strengthens its AI and high performance computing ambitions. Inosemi's expertise in chip level optics interconnects could be instrumental in reducing latency and power consumption across AMD's future AI accelerators and data center platforms. The deal represents AMD's aggressive posture in the post NVIDIA AI race. After making headlines with its deepfake friendly YouTube technology, Google's Veo 3 is now being tested as a tool for real time video game generation. Developers speculate that Veo 3 could create assets, environments, and even entire game levels dynamically based on players' prompts. While concerns over creative control and authenticity remain, the prospect of AI as a game engine is now closer than ever. Microsoft has also started testing a version of Copilot for gaming within Xbox mobile app for iOS and Android. The AI assistant helps players with in game tips, walkthroughs, and even friendly coordination, effectively becoming a smart companion for mobile gaming. Early testers report smoother onboarding and more intuitive game discovery. Indian startup Snabit has attracted funding from Lightspeed Ventures for its on demand home services platform, which provides everything from plumbing to deep cleaning via mobile first model. With urban India experiencing a boom in consumer convenience tech, Snapit is positioning itself as the Swiggy for home care, backed by data driven logistics and growing middle class demand. And that wraps up today's top stories from the world of technology, science, and innovation. From AI breakthroughs to global politics, we are here to bring you the news that shapes tomorrow. If you found this episode insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment with Atarian News. Got a tip, question, or comment? Drop it below if you're listening. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and stay ahead.